If there's one thing for sure with tools, there's no shortage of choice. But what drill bit coating is best? What models are the good bits for drilling wood? What drill bits are the most durable? These are just a few of the questions dyers may not have the answer to when staring down an easel's worth of drill bits at the local home center or scrolling through product offerings. This is why we put together our guide to the best drill bit sets. We cover below our top picks for general purpose use, our in-house test results, and essential buying tips to help you determine which set is best to pair with your cordless drill. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best wood drill bits from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Milwaukee Shockwave Impact Titanium. The Milwaukee Shockwave Impact Titanium stands out as the top choice for versatile drilling needs. Despite being relatively costly, the titanium nitride construction offers a balance of durability and performance that justifies the expense. In our evaluations, these drill bits consistently outperform competitors, excelling in speed and precision when drilling into wood. Their unique quad edge tip minimizes wandering, ensuring accurate hole placement. What truly distinguishes these bits is their 1/4-inch hex shank, compatible with powerful impact drivers, providing both convenience and stability during use. Number 2. Dewalt Titanium Nitride DW1361. The Dewalt Titanium Nitride DW1361 ranks among the best drill bit sets tested, delivering exceptional performance across various metrics. With minimal resistance, these bits offer a smooth drilling experience, particularly evident when working with wood. Their pilot point design significantly reduces wandering, resulting in precise hole placement and minimal tear out. While primarily suited for softer materials like wood and PVC, they also demonstrate capability with softer metals. However, their long-term durability may be compromised when used on steel. Number 3. Dewalt Split Point DWA1181. The Dewalt Split Point DWA1181 drill bits are a good budget option if you're in a pinch or just want a drill bit set you won't worry about dinging up. The black oxide coating on these drill bits performed well in our in-house tests, resulting in a smooth drilling experience with little resistance. Any black oxide coating is prone to wear over time, but there's little to worry about since you can pick up a set without breaking the bank. This set's larger fractional drill bits also include a 3-flat shank that helps avoid slippage when chucked up. But before buying this drill bit set, consider what you'll be drilling. The split point design of these drill bits is prone to walking when drilling fast. Drilling a pilot hole with one of the smaller bits or using a spring-loaded hole punch solves this problem. Also, split point drill bits won't perform well in most uses where a cleanly drilled hole is needed, such as finer woodworking. The performance was evident in our tests drilling into 2x4s, where it was impossible to avoid tear out and fraying at different drilling speeds. Number 4. Bosch 91-piece drilling and driving set. The Bosch 91-piece drilling and driving set provides a comprehensive solution for various drilling and fastening needs. This set includes titanium nitride, brad point, and masonry bits, along with standard screwdriver bits and accessories. The brad point bits offer exceptional performance, leaving clean holes with no tear out, making them ideal for woodworking. However, some users may find it challenging to remove the bits from their holders, requiring careful handling to avoid injury. Despite this drawback, the set's versatility and convenience make it a compelling choice for die enthusiasts and professionals alike. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. If you want to know the product price, please do check my description for any kind of problem, and please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.